In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2020 MCQs, that is that A and B are two non-square matrices such that AB is equal to A and BA is equal to B, then A and B are matrices. Solution, that is, consider A square is equal to A dot A is equal to A dot can also be written in the form of AB into A, so which is equal to A into B. A is equal to AB, which is equal to A. Similarly, B square is equal to B dot B is equal to BA into B is equal to B into AB. It can also be written in the form of equal to BA is equal to B. This shows that A and B are idempotent. So option A is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.